How to remove the share button on your product pages. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to actually remove it from the product page. Now I'm going to show you for both all the products at once, or if you want it to be for only specific individual products. I will show you both ways, and it's actually going to be very easy. So just so we are clear, we want to remove pretty much, let's just go to any product page. We want to remove this one, this option here. So let's just go ahead and get started and show you how to do so. So the first thing is going to be by removing it for all products at once. So this is going to include every single product in your store, basically. To do so, you want to go to themes, and then you would want to click on customize. And once you click on customize, we basically want to head on over to the default product page. You can do so by either clicking on the top here from the pages section, click on products and click on default product page. Or what I prefer to do is just go ahead and click on any product that you have on your store. And it's going to actually take you to the default product page. Now here we have the share button and we want to remove it. You don't click on it. Instead, you just want to go to the left panel where you will find template. Product information, and from product information you can remove a lot of things. So you can remove the price point, the quantity selector, description, and most importantly here, the share. Now I don't recommend that you click on the trash icon right next to it. What I recommend you to do is just click on this eye icon, which is going to pretty much just hide it. This way you don't even remove it. If you wanted to do it again or get it back, you can just simply unhide it like so, and it's going to return again. So if you just go ahead and hide it from here, it's going to be hidden on all products that you have. So for example, let's just go ahead and save. You can see now for the purple, it's gone. If you click on this other, product ish, it's also going to be gone from it as well. As you can see, there's no share option. So what if you actually want to remove it only on a specific product? So not all of them, just a specific one. In this case, let's just consider it to be the red product. So in this case, what you need to do is actually go ahead and click on, open up the default product page that you want, whichever one. It doesn't really make a difference. Click on it again, click on products, and then you basically want to create a template. Click on create a template. You can just name it no share or whatever you actually want it to be, and click on create template. It should be based on the default product, by the way. And then from here, if you see no share on the top, then you would want to hide it. So this template, which is the no share template, is now basically offering this option, which is not going to show the share. So click on save. And it's not done yet. All you need to do now is just go ahead and exit out of the customization tab. You want to go to the products section. You want to click on the product that you don't want to show the share in. And then from here, you basically want to scroll down until you find the theme template. It should be default product by default. If you click on it, you can select now the no share one we just created. Click save. And now the red product shouldn't have the share option, but the purple one is going to still have it. If you want to apply for the purple one as well, same thing, just click on it, go down, make sure the theme is the no share one. So let's just go and view our site real quick. So let's go for the purple one first. And I will show you that, the share option is still in here. But if we click on the red one here, the share option is no longer available. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful. And thanks for watching.